Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank all the panels for this opportunity for me to introduce myself. And for today, I will be introducing myself through a presentation regarding my strengths, weaknesses, and to reflect on the results of my Holland personality test. I am a civil engineering student in University Technology Malaysia Skudai, and I will be graduating soon in 2019. First and foremost, I will elaborate on some of my strengths, which my point of view will be a key to become a good civil engineer. So first, I am an organized person. I always plan ahead of time strategically. During my university life, there is a lot of things needed to be done, such as tasks, assignments, and projects. So what I have done is, I will list it down all the things and tasks that I need to be do for the upcoming days and make a checklist of it. This allows me to do my tasks and projects more precisely and more efficiently. And sometimes I would like to do things in a table sort of form, as I can get a cleaner and better looking to-do list. It also helps me to see the overall things that I need to be done. And next, I have always been known for my work ethic. I am committed to meeting deadlines and taking full responsibility of the quality of my performance. I am prompt to do my task, as it allows me to double check on my work before I can submit it. Hence, making sure that the deadline was not only met, but also I can submit my project in a perfect sort of form. Hence, for the third point, I believe that I am a natural leader. I have led several programs during my university time. As for example, I am the director of Balloon Run 2017, which is a running charity event. It is a charity running event. Balloon Run 2017 have been participated from all the Balloon Run 2017 have been participated by the university student, staff, and also the people of Johor. Through this event, it also helps me to enhance my communication skill, as I have been dealing with a lot of people to collaborate with their companies in order for me to run my charity event successfully. As for example, we have been donating some of our profit from the event to IJN Foundation, Institute Jantung Negara Foundation. Next, I will be moving to my weaknesses. As far as I love to be working with a team, but sometimes I prefer to working by myself. The reasons behind it is because I want to be satisfied with the task that I am responsible to do, or at least I want to be satisfied with the task that my team needed to be do. I would rather say I am a perfectionist. I wanted things to be done perfectly and precisely from the guidelines, or at least from what I have planned. I would double check all my assignments and projects from my group before I submitted it, in order for me to get a perfect form of the task. Next, I will be moving on my results of Holland personality test. So based on my Holland personality test, it suggests me to dominate 3 types of career traits, which is investigative, realistic, and enterprising. So the investigative part is someone who likes to study mathematics and science. Someone who has a good understanding and solving science and mathematics problems. it also highlights that someone who thinks more towards scientifically, or at least related to problem-solving way of thinking. Well, I do agree with that point, because as a civil engineer, that is what we do. We solve problems. As for example, architect would draw of a building that he wanted to do. So as a civil engineer, we make it happen. We solve that by redrawing the structural design of the building. It is also relatable with my previous project with my team, which is the Integrated Design Project, IDP, where we have designed a residential area. Our engineering-related designing skills are being tested well during this project, and we have done it a pretty good job actually. Next, moving on to realistic trait. Realistic trait is someone who likes to work with animals, tools, and machineries. So I want to highlight those tools and machineries part. Someone who has a good skills in working with tools and mechanical machineries. So as a civil engineer, that is what we do. As a civil engineer, we value practical things we can see and touch, and we use it, such as tools and machineries. This is proven to be true, as I enjoy working with tools in my university's lab, which include grinder, concrete mixer, and many more. So in real life, as a civil engineer ahead in the industry, we will be exposed to the use of massive plant and machineries, such as excavator, backhoe, and many more. Next, I will be elaborating on my third trait, which has been suggested by my Holland personality test results, which is enterprising. Enterprising is someone who likes to lead and persuade people, someone who is good at leading people and selling things or idea, or at least someone who is sociable. These have been mentioned by me earlier, which I have a good leading skills, which I have led several programs and projects back in my university life. So basically, I do agree with the results of my Holland personality test, because it definitely reflects myself and show that I am a civil engineer to be. Maybe those traits and personality of mine have been developed during my studying years as a civil engineering student in UTM. As for now, I guess that is all from me. I look forward to be a part of your company, and I am confident I will be the perfect fit to be a civil engineer in your consultancy firm. Thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum and bye-bye.